Let me take you straight through the front door of this one because the layout is the reason I wanted to show it to you. We're in Justin, Texas, inside Northwest ISD, and this home is brand new and completely finished. The moment you step in, you're already in the main living space. There's no long hallway eating up your square footage, no wasted corners. The living room, the dining area, and the kitchen all share one open space, and that's what makes a home this size live a lot bigger than the number on the page. The kitchen sits right at the center of it. Quartz countertops, a stainless steel appliance package, and gas cooking, so you're not fighting an electric coil to get dinner on the table. Luxury vinyl plank runs through all the main areas, which means spills wipe up instead of soaking in. Four bedrooms in here. The primary is at the back on its own, and the other three are up front. In the primary bathroom, you've got quartz counters, a full-size shower, and wood shelving in the closet. Not the wire shelving most people end up tearing out. Everything runs off your phone through DR Horton's Home is Connected package. Front door, thermostat, lights, garage. Step out back and the yard is already done. Sod is in, irrigation is in, and the privacy fence is stained. There's nothing left for you to finish here. Come see it before someone else does. Text me at 214-449-9978. I'm Bryan Farmer with DR Horton here in North Fort Worth.